Volkatas. The Volkatas is not a new Batman film, but rather a real vehicle designed for Russian special services. The name may resonate with history enthusiasts, as it derives from Volkata, a type of sickle sword utilized in ancient Roman chariots. Currently, detailed technical specifications are scarce, but it is known that the Volkatas is built on the chassis of the Kamaras 4911 Extreme, features a 12-speed gearbox, and is powered by a diesel engine generating 730 horsepower. This vehicle can achieve speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour and has a troop compartment spacious enough for 10 soldiers, with armor capable of resisting 12.7 millimeters armor-piercing incendiary rounds fired from a sniper rifle. Inca Sentry Civilian. The subsequent vehicle we are examining is ideally suited for assault teams, distinguished by its folding ramp that facilitates rapid entry into buildings, trains, and ships. The Inca Sentry TIV boasts additional impressive attributes, including seating for up to 10 individuals, a robust 330 horsepower diesel engine, and armor designed to resist rifle fire. Furthermore, the manufacturer provides optional enhancements such as a siren and a public address system. LD1. Police ATVs are known for their agility, yet they often fall short in terms of protection. The LD1 upgrade addresses this issue effectively. While it may appear simple, featuring ballistic shields affixed to a frame with model-specific brackets, its capabilities are impressive. The LD1 provides comprehensive 360-degree protection and has successfully undergone stringent testing in accordance with the NIJ standard, recognized as one of the most demanding in the world. Additionally, it is designed to endure fire from ammunition as powerful as 7.62x 51mm NATO. IAG Armored Rescue Crane Vehicle. International Armored Group has developed an armored crane designed to assist in rescue and evacuation missions in hazardous environments. This vehicle offers protection against 7.62x 51mm NATO ammunition and is fortified against mine detonations beneath it, as well as impacts from wheels or tracks. The crane accommodates a two-person crew consisting of a driver and an operator, and is capable of lifting loads up to 13 tons. It is available in both 4x4 and 6x6 wheel configurations and is equipped with a 380 horsepower diesel engine. Rizvani Tank Military Edition. The Rizvani tank represents a pinnacle of luxury in the SUV market, merging advanced technology with the robust features of military-grade armored vehicles. For affluent car enthusiasts, this model offers an impressive array of capabilities, including a formidable 1,000 horsepower engine, bulletproof windows, night vision capabilities, smoke screens, and explosive detection systems. Priced at approximately $259,000, equivalent to the cost of 8 Tesla Model Y. Rizvani Motors asserts that it stands as the most resilient, powerful, and extreme SUV available globally. Cockerill iX. Panhard unveiled the crab buggy in 2012, and it appears that John Cockerill developed a comparable concept with the Cockerill iX, first presented in March 2022. Experts suggest that both vehicles share a common design lineage, emphasizing their adaptability, impressive speed, and cutting-edge technology. The Crab features an unmanned turret, while the Cockerill iX incorporates AI algorithms and specialized helmets. Both models can be outfitted with 25 or 30mm cannons. However, the Cockerill iX boasts a superior speed of 200 km per hour, in contrast to the Crab's 100 km per hour. Notably, the Crab's ability to drive sideways aligns with its name. Which vehicle do you prefer? Plazen Garda. São Paulo, recognized as Brazil's cultural capital, faces significant challenges due to its elevated crime rate, ranking 11th among the most dangerous cities in South America. In response to this issue, local law enforcement has deployed 6 armored vehicles equipped with advanced features. These vehicles can be converted into either a mobile command center or a first aid station, accommodating up to 22 individuals alongside the crew. Built on a MAN truck chassis, the Garda is capable of navigating steep inclines of up to 60 degrees and traversing water obstacles as deep as 60 centimeters. Furthermore, the Garda has successfully undergone STANAG 3 tests, demonstrating its resilience against 7.62 x 51mm NATO ammunition fired from a distance of 30 meters. Police Barricade Tactical Vehicle. In inclement weather, it is advisable to carry an umbrella, and in the event of protests, mobile barricades become essential. An example of such a barricade is the Geno Rex model from South Korea, which is designed not only to repel protesters, but also features a water cannon capable of reaching targets up to 70 meters away. Constructed from steel, each section of the barricade measures 4 meters in width and can be deployed within 60 seconds from its cabin. The Geno Rex is available in both 4x2 and 6x4 configurations and is equipped with multiple cameras along with a video recording system. Stena. The Stena complex was designed to meet the specific requirements of law enforcement personnel, who are the primary users. Experts from Kalashnikov successfully reduced the setup time to just 3.5 minutes, allowing the Stena to effectively obstruct hostile groups. The barrier spans nearly 8 meters in width and features a dynamic shape that adapts during movement, distributing the load to the vehicle's frame. Additionally, the system is equipped with a blade capable of penetrating barricades and moving obstacles weighing up to 2.5 tons. Integrated lighting within the fence sections guarantees optimal functionality regardless of the time of day. FNSSMAV. Several years ago, Turkey initiated the development of its first universal landing ship, necessitating an effective method for transporting and landing personnel. To address this challenge, the Zaha program was established. Within this framework, the Turkish Defense Company, FNSS, created the Marine Assault Vehicle, an amphibious armored personnel carrier. Introduced to the Turkish Army last year, this vehicle can travel at speeds of 13 kilometers per hour on water and 70 kilometers per hour on land, accommodating up to 21 individuals, including the commander and driver. Its primary armament features a 40mm grenade launcher and a 12.7mm machine gun, complemented by a smoke generator. Notably, The APC is equipped with removable blocks, enabling safe operation in wave conditions of up to 4 points.